Alright guys, I have no idea why this little thing being bashed in was bothering me, but it was. So here's a little metal origami going on, trying to see. I don't think I'll make it look original, but I think I'll make it look better than bashed in. Let's see what happens, man. I'll bring you back in a minute. Alright, well, there's the metal origami class for today. I don't know, we got a couple little things that probably need some attention, a lot. But all in all, I think a little Bondo will probably schmuck that up and make it look decent enough for what it is. And I think it looks a whole lot better than that bit bashed in there with a ball-peen hammer. So, yep, that's where we're gonna call it for today. I'm gonna go shower because, wow, it was a messy day at work. And then I think we're gonna take Mama to dinner. I think that's the plan. Yeah, now if any of you guys are buying, you be sure and hit me up real quick, okay? I'll tell you where to meet us at. Have a good one, man. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, look what else just happened to cruise up here a few minutes ago. We got the new steering column, so hopefully here we'll be test fitting it in the next day or so and making final decisions on that opening right there. But more or less, I think I'm gonna go back to kind of the stock dealio that was there. I got that one bushing. I'm not sure I'm gonna like the way it works on this car, but we will save it because I think I got some revisions planned for the old girl there. All right, dudes, have a good day. I'll catch you later.